In practice set 11, we are going to start out with some proportions, and then we'll move to some word problems. Number 11, we're solving for x. So I'm going to put a peanut around the 2 that I can. 9 times 2 is 18. Divide by the one that's not in the peanut. 18 divided by 4 is 4.5. So x is 4.5. Number 12. Let's put a peanut around the 2 that we can. 6 times 8 is 48. And 48 divided by 3 is 16. So A is 16. Number 13. Okay, this is an algebra problem. I'm going to omit this one. Or am I? I'm going to go ahead and do this one. You can fast forward through it. Once you've had the algebra section of this course, this one will make sense. I don't like leaving blank spaces, but you can skip this one for now. Just come back after we've had algebra, but I am going to go ahead and do it. Because in this one, you can draw a peanut both ways. 8 times 8 is 64. And then if you draw the peanut this way, you're going to get 8n times 3, and that is 24n. And then you would set those two equal. So you would have 24n equals 64. And you would end up dividing by the 24. If that doesn't make sense to you right now, ignore it. It will when you have some time with me to do the algebra. Don't let it rattle you. And it's 2.6 repeating. I really think that was a misprint, but I don't like leaving blanks, so we'll go ahead and just say ignore that one until you've had algebra. Number 14, this is a normal proportion where you can draw the peanut. 7 times 5 is 35. And 35 divided by 9 is 3.7. No, 3.8. It's a good thing I checked. The 8 is repeating. So A is 3.8 repeating. Number 15. I draw the peanut where I can. And again, that's not really called a peanut. It just looks like one to me. It's a cross product. So 104 divided by the number that's not in the peanut is 52. So P is 52. 3 threes. Don't let this one throw you. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 13. This is less than 1. And it's not very pretty. That's okay. It has some stuff out there. So I'm going to say that V is approximately 0.7. We'll go ahead and round that one. And that squiggly equals means about. 12 times 2 is 24. And 24 divided by 10 is 2 4/10. So n is 2.4. 11 squared, 11 times 11 is 121. And 121 divided by 10 is 12.1. So R is 12.1. I like these with the exception of number 13 because they let you see that you don't need to be afraid of fractions and decimals. If you get those answers, it doesn't mean you've done something wrong. Trust your process and you'll be okay. All right, here are some more. I thought we were done. 9 times 7 is 63. And 63 divide 14, I have no idea. 4.5. So X is 4.5. 10 times 11 is 110. And 110 divided by 14 is 7.857 and a whole bunch of change. So I'm going to say that A is approximately 8. Let's just round to the whole number that time. 12 times 10 is 120. And 120 divided by 2 is 60. So V is 60. And finally, 14 times 5. I'm not even going to try. It's a good thing I didn't. I would have been off 10. 70 divided by 6 is 11.6 repeating. So N is 11 2/3. You could write it as a fraction if you were so inclined. All right, number 9. And I think I'm going to go ahead and stop this one before I get to these word problems. It's getting a little long. So I'll be right back and we'll do these word problems.